Yo, yo, yo. What's going on, YouTube? We're back with another video. I figured I'd do a video today and not a live stream just so that we can have people watch the video. Live stream that we had yesterday, we talked about just a little recap of what's been going on and things that I can work on, and then as well as the overall past 2 days of trading. So that being said, today we actually had a pretty good day in the market. On my TakeProfitTrader account, we had a $755 day yesterday, which was, or no, it's today, sorry, yesterday, today, which was solid. Took 4 trades, which was great. I didn't realize I only took 1 trade and that was it. That's awesome. Took 4 trades, made that. I was literally up, if I'm not mistaken, I was up earlier on the day. I was up $470 today on this account. And I happened to find a position. Let's see, can I go to the trade itself? So we took small losses, really small losses, which is great. I've been really honing in on just trying to, one, not trade so much, and 2, cut my losses quicker than usual and not let myself sit into losing trades, hoping for a retracement to go back into my favor type deal, which happens. This trade here was cool because I literally saw a position to take short, and I had a bracket order set up. I do 5 minute here. Had a bracket order set up for me to go and just get out. Like, I wanted to make a little extra money just because I saw the position open up for me. So I was like, you know what, I might as well just take it. So I took a short, got in, and literally didn't even adjust my stop loss, or I did. I adjusted my stop loss so that I would only lose literally like $100 and something, if that, maybe, yeah, if that, like $120 maybe. And I just didn't even bother to adjust my take profit because I was going to actually bring it down a little bit lower, but the thing was I was kind of busy at work, so I just got in and kind of went back to my work screen and kind of was doing my thing. And then a couple minutes later, I go back and look, and the trade had already, my profit target was already hit. I was like, damn, that's great. Like, okay, like, yeah, of course I could have adjusted it a lot more to see if we were going to sweep this previous low, which is what I was wanting to see. But again, I wasn't really tripping because I still made money. I was up $470, which is cool. Excuse me, which is cool. But of course we had commissions come in and kind of take that 530 out the way and only make us, we were up like 4 something. Actually, yeah, it was like 4 something. It was like we were up like 490, then we took a little loss and then commission, which was this $5 loss with the commission. And then that's when we got into this trade, and that trade pretty much just had us up $715 on the day. Technically it's like 755 on here? Yeah, 755 minus commissions. So yeah, we were up. So I took $40 off of commission. So yeah, we were up a good on this account, which is great. On our Topstep account, we had a good day. If I'm not mistaken, on our Topstep account, this Topstep X account or Topstep account, we did $673. I'll show you guys so that you guys don't if you guys can believe it. 673. We made that on the day. And then I happened to take another trade on my way home. Got another set and forget type. Not really forget, but kind of just setting. Should have just taken this short. I was thinking that too, to get a feeling that fair value gap. But we took another trade on our way home, and we made a nice little 869 on that. So we're close. We're about 1,100 off from hitting for this account getting funded. And then on our take profit, we're about the same amount. Yeah, definitely about them the same amount, which is cool. So yeah, taking my time, trying to take minimal trades as possible, not trying to overdo it. Definitely something that I've been keeping an eye out on, which is helped me benefit my trading overall. I definitely see myself at times getting into trades unnecessarily when I shouldn't even have to be taking a trade, or just not being okay with the profit that I make, which is also a big struggle for me. So definitely this time off from trading that I took a little break off, took a break from, has definitely helped me to be able to be okay with not trying to trade Asia as much as I used to, waiting for my silver bullet setup to unfold, as well as like sometimes even taking London and go trading London's silver bullet and seeing if that helps. Definitely would have been able to take that last night, because that would have been great too, because that would have, I was looking at this morning when I woke up, I was like, yo, like because I was falling asleep. I literally had to just wait 10 more minutes and I probably could have took the trade. But I was falling asleep already, and I could have taken this bearish fair value gap all the way down to sweep lows and be good. But I fell asleep and woke up and I was like, man, damn, if I would have just stayed up a little bit longer, could have taken the trade and held that mug until, whatever, and probably would have passed one of these accounts. Probably not my Topstep, because I can't make over 50% because I wasn't close to it yet. But now that I'm on both accounts, I'm close to like literally $1,000 or $1,100 away from getting funded on these accounts. That would be beneficial, of course. But again, I just don't want to overdo it. I've noticed a lot of times when I trade, especially in the mornings, because when I wake up, I'm getting up at like 5:15, 5:30 in the morning, and I'm getting ready to go to work because I have to be at work at 7. So I'm trying to like prepare myself to do all that jazz. But I've noticed at times that I'm looking, like after news comes out, I'll try to take a trade, or a setup, quote unquote setup, happens. I'll try and take a trade, and I end up just it's not a really good trade. So a lot of the times I have to remind myself to kind of readjust, reevaluate, and be patient with my trading and for setups to pop up for me, so that I actually can take them when needed and not rush into things. And that's been a big factor of a game changer for me overall, because again, I always get into a point where I feel like I need to be in a trade. I like trading so much, I feel like I need to be in it, when clearly I can chill, I can just wait. Did this setup even happen? I did trade my silver bullet, but it really didn't look like it came back. Yeah, here. This is where. So I did take a trade in my silver bullet on one of my accounts. That was a take profit. Yeah, this was a take profit account. So I did take a trade here, but when it came in, I didn't get my order filled. So I had my limit order filled. So I had to literally get in at a market order, which, yes, I could have made a lot more money on the trade, but I was kind of at a point where like I just want to get in and get the money that I can get, and then just be okay with that. But that was fine. I'm okay with that. I still made profit, and I've been consistent, which is very, very, very huge for me psychologically in trading, because consistency is such a strong thing in this field of work. You really have to remind yourself how important it is to be consistent. Um, you'll notice when it comes to like trading and being consistent when you lose, it sucks. It's like, man, it's over and over. You keep continuously losing. You continuously losing accounts. Trade setups are just horrible. The list goes on and on and on. But when you finally like take a step back, realize what you're doing is, not correct, and you need to kind of remind yourself why you're doing this, and kind of readjust. That consistency of those winning trades, those winning days, being thankful for not, being thankful for what you make out of the market is a blessing. Yes, you can go in full port and hope for the best. And for some traders that works. Like, more power to them, it works, and they're able to benefit from it, and make this amount of money. But that comes with experience. Or people that go in with, or traders that go in with full ports, but they've been doing it for a long time. A lot of professional traders or well experienced traders will always try to tell you, you don't need to go in with a lot of size. You don't need to. It took me X amount of time for me to even be able to go in with more than just one contract or two contracts. And it's true, because mentally that's going to bug you. You're going to be trading with 4 or 5 contracts, and that's going to bug you, because if you're up on a trade, that's cool, and then all of a sudden that trade pulls back on you, and you're just like, what the F just happened? And now you're down, and then you're losing an account, and that sucks. And that's happened to me so many times. That's why I'm not really getting my hopes up too much or getting too hyped about how I've been trading lately, because there's times when I've just been literally a couple $100 away and lost the account because I was chasing after something that I could have just been thankful for what I had, maybe took the day off and then just traded the next following day and been thankful for that. And then, or it was like on a Friday, and usually Fridays are my worst trading days out of the week. Um, you know, Friday I was like, I need X amount of money. I need to make something. I go and I take the worst setups, or price action was just all over the place, and my reading and understanding and analysis of the market that day was just bad, and I was just trying to get whatever I can, and then just not being thankful for what it gave me, and then get out of the market and just enjoy the rest of my day, and then enjoy the weekend with my family, and then boom, go into Monday, a clearer mindset, and knowing that I still have more days to get funded, but at the same time, I still will have an account, and I still will be in profit. The list goes on and on. So I think that's beneficial for us to really take into consideration moving forward, that, yeah, you're close to where you need to be to get your account funded, but at the same time, that takes a lot out of you. You're going to take some dumb trades, and you're going to be like, why did I trade this day? Or why did I take this trade setup when it wasn't there for me? So there's certain things that you're going to have to remember, remind yourself, but at the same time, it's part of the process of learning and understanding who you are as a trader. So I think that's a big key thing that I've had to take into consideration. Also with journaling, I think some of these websites, I can journal down my days, and that's going to help me big time. Like this week sucked, like, because we were up, and then all of a sudden we just lost. And then it continued on, and it just sucked. Like, it was just one of those things that it bit me in the butt. Like, I was up like high on this account on this day, and then all of a sudden I just lost profit, and then literally overtraded. Like, if we can go at this, taking losses, and just it was bad. And that's sad. Like, it really is sad. I'm pretty sure that account is gone. Lost that account, and that's just how a story goes. Had to take time off. Had to take time off from trading. I had a couple of different Apex accounts that I didn't bother inputting on here because it was just, you know, trying to YOLO it in, but at the same time, it wasn't really all that important. But this week with this Take Profit account, it's been cool. Literally got it on Tuesday. Well, technically I bought it on Monday, and then started trading on Tuesday, and we've been solid here. Like, this is great. Like, I literally just been shooting for $600 each day, and I was thankful for this day because I literally took one trade, and that trade paid me $480. Like, that's dope. You know what I mean? Like, I had multiple contracts, but it was dope. Literally dope day. I don't really understand all that, but that's cool. So yeah, I just going in Friday, you know, clear mindset, not to overdo it, and just be thankful for what the market gives me. Wait for my trade setup to happen, and take it, and then go from there. And then going into Monday, I'm literally just gonna have that opportunity to be able to, hoping, you know, it will take me 5 days to get this account funded, and from there, it's, you know, this when the journey really begins on this account. And then with Topstep, you know, just I'm not gonna trade this account tomorrow just because of the fact that I made almost $900. Like, yeah, I could definitely, like, I've been thinking in my mind just to go for like a little small scalp trade just so that I can get to 52,000 on the account. But again, that's just one of those things that you have to remind yourself not to really push for, because literally one trade can mess you all up. And I've been in that situation, like, again, of just needing, you know, a couple $100 just to get the account funded, and then all of a sudden you just do the dumbest thing. So I'm gonna be cooling off of that. I'm not really gonna be tripping too much. I would love to take a trade if the trade comes to me for Asia on my other account. But I'm not. I don't think I will because I'm going to the movies tonight. So really not looking. I won't be really looking for anything, to be honest. Very thankful for the trade that I was able to get today. Was able to take that short heading into this bullish fair value gap on the daily, which was awesome. Other than that, it's pretty much the only recap I got. I only got 2 accounts right now. Yeah, I'm gonna buy more accounts, but I figured I'd just focus on these 2 accounts because one Topstep is an account that I always struggle to really hone in with. There we go. That sounds a lot easier. Hone in with. I think, again, I've only probably been funded on this platform once and failed a lot of different combines. So I made my money today, so I don't have to trade tomorrow on this account. Probably just look towards Monday and kind of just go from there, and then be thankful for that. And then on the Take Profit account, I just, you know, just keep on doing what I've been doing and trying to get closer to where I need to be. Look for $400 to $600 with 1-2 contracts, and then get myself out of the market and enjoy my weekend, because that means Monday I would have X amount of money that I need to make. If I can make 600 tomorrow, that would be great for me, because I would only need to make around $500 on Monday, and then we'll be funded by Tuesday, have a funded account by Tuesday, and then just go from there. And then with Topstep, I just have to trade Monday, and hopefully by the end of Monday, I'll be a little bit closer. Hopefully we'll be funded on both accounts sometime next week. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the recap. I don't want this video to get a little longer than it should be. But yeah, it's been solid this week so far, and I've been very thankful for being patient with myself and not overdoing it, and, you know, always jumping into something thinking that I need a trade when, you know, it's, you know, I got time. Again, when you get in these prop firms, you have a whole month to get funded. Yes, I know, and I understand. I completely understand, because I'm definitely somebody that's thought the same thing out. yes, I have a month on this account, but I need to get funded so I can be able to start making money and pay for things and take care of things, and the list goes on. Yes, I've been there and I understand and I've done that. And that's something that's definitely messed me up in my trading big time. I will admit to you that's been something that's been messing me up big time, because I get into that mindset of I need to get this account funded so that once I can start getting my days rolling of when I can get, my payout or start requesting my payout, and the list goes on and on and on. And then you're in a position that you're just like, like what happened? I should have just been patient. I should have waited. I should have done this. I should have done that. Yeah, I should have, could have, would have, but and then you lose an account, and then you waste more money to buy another combine or another valuation, and then it's just like, bam, you just could have waited, just could have been more patient. And then when that trade set up, when there's more activity going on in the market, you can take that trade, you can get in and get out quicker, and then be done with it. So that's it. That's all I had. That's my 2 cents. So yeah, this is day 8. Day 8. And we're pushing to get to this money, yo. It's step 1 was buying the account. Step 2 was trading it to, fund it. We're almost there. Just gotta keep on pushing. We got a lot of time left and not have to rush it. So that's about it. I hope everybody had a good week so far. Tomorrow's Friday. If you're not trading tomorrow, I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. For those that watch this video, whenever you do, keep on pushing, keep on trucking on and believing. Nothing but the best. I want everybody to succeed as best as they possibly can and never give up. Definitely don't give up on yourself. If you need to take a break, take that break. It's definitely helpful and it's beneficial in your trading career or anything that you do in life. So yeah, try to make a video tomorrow or do a live stream depending on how I feel. Have a recap of the week. We'll do a recap of the week overall on Sunday. And then I got Monday off of work, so I'll be trading live Monday. So you guys might want to tap in for that. Other than that, let's keep on living. Keep on doing what you can. Keep on blessing yourself and others around you. Peace out, stay black, make good choices. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, as well as if you guys are looking for any prop firms, I got affiliate links in the bio. And if you guys want to join our Discord, it's free. The link is there as well. Tap in, join, say what's up, say your 2 cents. Appreciate all the nice comments and blessings.